Good morning students. In previous class we learnt about a indefinite article a and an, where we should use a before the consonant sound and an before the vowel sound. Today we will discuss about the definite article the. Okay. See, the definite article is used before both singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific, means when it is a particular. See, where we will use the definite article the, we will see now. Okay, before a noun. Already you know that noun is the name of a person, place, thing. See here some examples for that. Before a noun, the use of definite article the wall, the cat, the lamp. Okay, unique thing. Unique thing means which is a very unique. In the unique means the sun. It's a unique, no. The sun, the moon, the Mars, the stars, the sky. It's a unique. Okay. Some of the famous buildings. The definite article is used before famous buildings. Example see like this. The Taj Mahal, Brihadeshwara temple means the famous, the Red Fort, Moti Masjid, like this. Okay. Now see. Names of people of nations means where we are living. We are living in India. Okay, country, and we are what the people, what we call Indians. That's why names of people of nations, the definite article is used. Okay, Indian, the. Okay, before that the. Okay, use of definite article way means before the names of the people of nations, the Indian, the French, the English. Okay, and before the reverse name, the definite article used where before the names of rivers like the Nile, the Gangas, the Brahmaputra. Okay, seas names also before the seas name, the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal. Okay, oceans. Before the definite article the is used before the oceans like the Pacific, the Indian, the Arctic. Okay, forest, the Black Forest, and before the gulfs also. The definite article is used before the gulfs name. See, the Persian Gulf, the Gulf of Mexico, desert names. The definite article is used where before the desert's name. Definite article, the Sahara, the Thar, mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Urals. And if the groups of island means before that definite article the is used. The Andaman and Nicobar, the British Island, the Lakshadweep, like this. Okay. Before names of musical instruments, the definite article the is used. Like musical instruments means the veena, the sitar, the violin, the guitar. Okay. Okay children, the definite article is used before the four directions. Already you know that. Which are the four directions? The north, south, east, the west. Okay. Large geographical areas containing the word ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆರ್ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಭೌಗೋಳಿಕವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಯಾವಾಗ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಶಬ್ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆವಾಗ ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ದ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್, ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಸೋವಿಯಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಷ್ಯಾ, ದ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್, ದ ನೆದರ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ದ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟೈಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಫ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಆಗ್ರಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ, ದ ಬುಕ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್, ದ ಕ್ಯಾಫೆಟೇರಿಯಾ means you know that is a specific place but having no names. Only you know the specific places like the library, the bookstore, the cafeteria. Okay. Definite article the is used before the holy books. Holy books already you know. The Bible, the Vedas, the Quran, the Ramayana, Mahabharata. Like this before that definite article the is used. ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಗ್ರಂಥಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್, ದ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, ದ ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಹೆರಾಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ the newspaper names, the definite article is used the. Okay, and proper noun only when qualified by an adjective. Okay, like this, see, proper noun means Akbar. Okay, how when the definite the is used means when it is qualified by adjective. Here what we are having? Great. What? The great Akbar means Akbar is a proper noun. Before that, what is the adjective is there? Great. Like this, when the proper noun is having the qualified by the adjective, then the definite article the is used. Okay, here also see another example. Kalidasa is a proper noun. When it is qualified by the immortal means its adjective, then the definite article the is used. Okay, used before an adjective to make it into a noun means already you know the old, the poor, the impossible. Okay, these type of adjective is there means before that the is used. Okay, now see superlatives ordinals. Ordinals means what? The darkest, est. It's a superlatives word, no, like this. If it is having the superlatives ordinals means then the definite article the is used. The darkest cloud, the best season, the first man. Okay, the 10th lesson. Okay, then that before the superlatives ordinals, the definite article the is used. Okay, now comparison to show that two things happen together. See here one example I will give you. The more he eats, the merrier he becomes. See, the two times gave no the comparison to show that things are happening together. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ದ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್. ದ ಮೋರ್ he eats, the merrier he becomes. Okay. Singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. Here the cat is representing a whole class means the whole cat means the whole cat family what it loves? Comfort. Like this it is showing no this type of sentence means this type of singular noun before that definite article the is used to show that to represent a whole class. The definite article is used. See some more example. The cat loves comfort. The cow is a useful animal. See, cow. Okay, the whole class of cow, what it is representing, it's a useful animal. That's why like this, if like this sentences is there means before that means representing whole class, then the definite article the is used. Okay, see here another one example. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Okay, the definite article is used. Okay, now you understood about the definite article where we have to use. Okay.